Hi, welcome to NerdsClub. Today we're checking out OnionHoster version 2.2. Link to the repo is in the description. So what exactly is OnionHoster? It's a cross-platform bash script that basically takes any web project, could be your Next.js app, a Flask backend, or even just a simple HTML file, and in one command, it turns that into a Tor hidden service. All right, let's try it out. I'm going to copy these commands straight from the repo and paste them here in my Linux VM terminal. It starts installing everything on its own. Let's just wait for that to finish. Okay, done. And now here's the main menu. Hosting from a port. That's for running React, Next.js, or backend apps. But for now, I'll just host a simple HTML file. So I type 1, hit enter, wait a bit, and boom, my Onion site is live. Here's the URL. Let's copy it and open it in Tor browser. Give it a second to load, and there we go. Our HTML file is live on an Onion domain. Now back to the terminal. Let's test the refresh domain option. That's number 6. I'll type 6, hit enter, confirm with yes, then no. And now we've got a brand new domain. Let's check first, is the old one still working? Nope, not valid anymore. Now the new one, and yep, that loads just fine. And that's it, super quick. Thanks for watching this demo. If you found it useful, drop a like and subscribe for more educational projects.